Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're talking about a very important engine warning, the engine oil pressure control circuit stuck off message. This can be a concerning error, but often, with the right steps, you can diagnose and fix it yourself. We'll walk through the common causes and how to troubleshoot this issue effectively. Your engine's health depends on proper oil pressure, so let's get started. First, understand what stuck off means. It usually indicates that the engine's computer, the ECM or PCM, is not seeing the correct oil pressure or cannot activate the oil pressure control system as intended. This could mean actual low pressure, or a fault in the system that monitors or controls it. The most common causes include a faulty oil pressure sensor, a bad oil pressure control solenoid or valve, wiring problems, or even very low engine oil levels. Here's how to fix it. 1. Check your oil level and quality. This is always the first step. Park your car on a level surface. Let the engine cool down for a few minutes. Pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, reinsert it fully, then pull it out again. Check if the oil level is between the min and max marks. If it's low, add the correct type of oil. Also, look at the oil's color and consistency. Very dark, sludgy oil can block passages. Change your oil and filter if it looks bad or is overdue. 2. Scan for diagnostic trouble codes. DTCs use an OBD2 scanner. Connect it to your car's diagnostic port, usually under the dashboard. Read any stored codes. Common codes for this issue might be P0520, P0521, P0522, P0523, or P0524. These codes point directly to oil pressure sensor or circuit issues. The specific code will help narrow down the problem. 3. Inspect the wiring and connectors. Locate your oil pressure sensor and the oil pressure control solenoid. Their exact locations vary by vehicle, so check your car's service manual. Visually inspect the wiring harnesses leading to these components. Look for any frayed wires, exposed copper, or signs of rodent damage. Check the connectors for corrosion, bent pins, or a loose fit. Disconnect and reconnect them to ensure a good connection. 4. Test the oil pressure sensor. If your scanner points to the sensor, you might need to test it. Some sensors can be tested with a multimeter. You'll often check for proper voltage supply and signal return. A faulty sensor might read zero pressure when there is pressure, or vice versa. Replacing a faulty sensor is usually straightforward. 5. Test the oil pressure control solenoid/valve. Many modern engines use a variable displacement oil pump or a solenoid to control oil pressure. This solenoid can get stuck or fail electrically. You can often test its resistance with a multimeter. Some can be tested by applying 12 volts directly to see if they click or actuate. If it's faulty, replacing this solenoid is necessary. Again, consult your service manual for location and specific testing procedures. 6. Check for internal engine issues. Last resort, if all electrical components and wiring check out, and you still have low pressure, the problem might be internal. This could be a worn oil pump, clogged oil passages, or excessive engine bearing clearances. This usually requires professional diagnosis and repair. Remember, safety first. Disconnect your battery before working on electrical components. If you're unsure at any point, it's always best to consult a certified mechanic. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope these steps help you resolve your engine oil pressure control circuit issue. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our future content. Your support helps us create more helpful guides like this. We appreciate you being here.